You're watching Vacation Minute by Explorer Vacations. Welcome to the Canals of Xochimilco, one of the most colorful and historic places in Mexico City. These waterways are the last remnants of the vast lake system that once covered the Valley of Mexico, when the Aztec capital of Tenochtitlan stood here centuries ago. Over 1,000 years ago, indigenous farmers created ingenious floating gardens called chinampas, artificial islands built from reeds, mud, and soil to grow crops and feed the growing empire. UNESCO recognized the canals and chinampas as a World Heritage Site in 1987 for preserving this extraordinary example of ancient agriculture and culture. Today, visitors explore the canals aboard brightly painted trajineras, drifting past flower-filled islands, mariachi music, and local vendors. It's a lively tradition that blends history, culture, and celebration on the water. As you glide through these historical canals, you're experiencing a living legacy, one of the last surviving examples of the Aztec world that once thrived across the lakes of ancient Mexico. Thank you for exploring with Explorer Vacations. For travel ideas about Mexico and beyond, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.